Why, might you ask, is China farming millions of rats? It's a question that might sound absurd to many, yet it's a reality that requires a closer look. So, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of rat farming in China. The first thing to understand is that in China, rats aren't just seen as pests. In fact, they're a vital part of the local ecosystem. For centuries, farmers in China have been raising rats for their fur, meat, and even for their ability to control pests. Yes, you heard it right. Rat meat is a delicacy in some parts of China, particularly in the Guangdong province. But there's more to it. China's rat farming industry is also driven by a booming demand for traditional Chinese medicine. Rat products, including their bones and organs, are used in various medicinal concoctions. This practice, deeply rooted in ancient Chinese culture, has fueled the growth of rat farming. Now let's talk about the implications of rat farming. One major impact is on the environment. Rat farming, surprisingly enough, has a much lower carbon footprint than other forms of livestock farming. Rats require less space, less food, and produce fewer greenhouse gases compared to larger animals such as cows or pigs. On the downside, there are ethical implications to consider. While some argue that raising rats for their meat and fur is no different than farming other animals, others contend that the conditions in which these rats are kept can be inhumane. Finally, there's the question of disease control. Rats are known carriers of various diseases, and their farming poses a potential public health risk. However, proponents of the industry argue that farming rats in controlled environments can actually help in monitoring and controlling the spread of these diseases. So, to sum it up, China is farming millions of rats for their fur, meat, and medicinal properties. This practice has environmental benefits, but also raises ethical and public health concerns. It's a complex issue with no clear black and white answers. One thing is clear, though, the world of rat farming in China is a fascinating one, full of contradictions and surprises. Stay curious, keep questioning, and remember, there's always more than meets the eye. Until next time.